Okay, so I tried ordering coffee in English last week, and the barista just stared at me. I said, I want coffee, no sugar, no milk, very black. And she said, do you mean an Americano? Max, why is English so confusing?
Because you're thinking in your language and translating. That's the problem most learners have. But here's the secret. You don't need to study for hours. You just need tiny habits, little things you do every single day.
Wait, so I can get fluent just by doing small things?
Exactly. And today, we're showing you the easiest small habits that actually work. Stay with us. By the end, you'll have a plan you can start right now. Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing? Max, you're too kind today. What do you want?
Nothing. I'm just happy because today's topic is so useful. We're talking about small habits to learn English, not boring grammar rules, not textbooks, just simple, tiny things you can do every day.
And I love this topic because I used to think I need to study 3 hours a day to improve, but that's not true. Small habits are way more powerful.
Exactly. So if you're someone who's busy, or maybe you feel stuck, or you just want to sound more natural, this episode is for you. By the end, you'll have 5 small habits you can start today. Sound good?
Sounds perfect. Let's go.
All right, habit number 1, and this is my favorite. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Talk to yourself in English.
Wait, like walk around my house and just talk to myself?
Yes, exactly that. I know it sounds weird, but it works. When you're cooking, when you're getting dressed, when you're walking to work, describe what you're doing out loud in English.
Okay, so for example, I am making tea. I am putting the water in the kettle. Now I am waiting.
Perfect. That's it. You're practicing grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation all at the same time, and nobody's listening so you can make mistakes. No pressure.
I love that. No pressure. But Max, what if I don't know a word? Like, what if I want to say kettle, but I forgot?
Then say it in your language and look it up later. Or describe it. Say, the thing that makes water hot. That's also practice.
Oh, smart. So I'm building my brain to think in English, not translate.
Exactly. And listeners, try this today. Right now, describe what you're doing. Out loud. Say, I am listening to Max and Lily. I am learning English. Go ahead, say it.
Don't be shy. We're doing this together.
All right, habit number 2. This one is super easy. Change your phone language to English.
Oh, I did this last year. It was scary at first, but now I don't even notice.
Right? At first, you're like, wait, where's the settings button? But after a few days, you learn. And the best part is, you see English every single day, every time you check your phone.
And we check our phones like 100 times a day, right?
At least. So that's 100 tiny lessons. You learn words like notifications, settings, battery, download, real useful words.
And it's not like studying. You're just living your life.
Exactly. Small habit, big results. Now listeners, if you want to try this, do it right now. Go to your settings and change the language. It takes 10 seconds. Pause the video if you need to. We'll wait.
We'll be here when you get back.
Okay, habit number 3. And Lily, you're really good at this one.
Which one?
Listening to English while you do other things.
Oh, yes, I love this. So I listen to English podcasts when I'm washing dishes, when I'm on the bus, when I'm exercising. I'm not sitting down and studying. I'm just living.
Exactly. You don't need to understand every word. You're training your ears. You're getting used to the rhythm, the sounds, the speed.
And after a while, it doesn't sound fast anymore. It sounds normal.
Right. And here's a tip. Listen to the same podcast or video multiple times. The first time, you understand maybe 50%. The second time, 70%. By the third time, you understand almost everything.
Yes, repetition is so important. Your brain needs to hear things again and again.
So listeners, find one English podcast or YouTube channel you like. It can be about anything: cooking, sports, news, stories. Just make sure it's interesting to you. Then listen every day, even 10 minutes. That's the habit.
And if you don't know where to start, well, you're already here. You're listening to us.
True. All right, habit number 4. This one is fun. Watch TV shows or movies you've already seen, but in English.
Oh, I love this trick.
So let's say you've watched your favorite movie 5 times in your language. You know the story, you know what happens. Now watch it again in English.
And because you already know the story, you can focus on the words. You're not confused. You're just learning how they say things.
Exactly. And turn on English subtitles if you need to. Not subtitles in your language, English subtitles. So you're reading and listening at the same time.
This is how I learned so many phrases, like, "Are you kidding me?" Or "I can't believe it," or "What's going on?"
Yes, movie language is real language. It's how people actually talk. So listeners, think of one movie or show you love. Watch it in English this week. Just one episode. That's the habit.
And bonus, it's fun. You're not sitting with a boring textbook.
Exactly. All right, we're halfway through. We've covered 4 habits. But before we go to number 5, Lily, I have a question for our listeners.
Ooh, what is it?
Okay, listeners, quick question. Have you ever learned a word and then forgotten it the next day?
Yes, all the time.
Right? We all do this. So here's the mistake most learners make. They learn a word, they say, okay, cool, I know it now. And then they never use it again. And guess what? The brain deletes it.
Ugh, so frustrating.
But there's a fix, and that's habit number 5. Use new words immediately.
Immediately?
Yes, the same day you learn a word, use it. Say it out loud, write it in a sentence, text it to a friend. Make it real.
Okay, so for example, let's say I just learned the word exhausted. That means very, very tired.
Right, so don't just write it in your notebook and forget it. Use it. Say, I am exhausted today. Or, yesterday I was so exhausted I fell asleep at 8 p.m.
Oh, so I'm creating a memory. I'm connecting the word to my life.
Exactly. Your brain remembers things better when they're personal. So listeners, here's your challenge. Today, learn one new word. Just one. And before you go to sleep tonight, use it. Say it, write it, text it. Make it yours.
I love that. One word a day. That's 365 words a year.
Exactly. And that's more than enough to have real conversations. Small habits, big results.
All right, Max, I think we should do a quick practice. Let's help our listeners use these habits right now.
Good idea. Okay, listeners, we're going to do a mini role play. Imagine you're at a cafe. You want to order a coffee. What do you say?
And we'll give you time to answer out loud, so pause the video if you need to. Think about it. What would you say?
Okay, time's up. Here are some good answers.
You could say, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?"
Or, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Or, "Can I get an iced latte?"
See? All of those are perfect. And notice we used can I have, or I'd like, or can I get. Those are polite, natural ways to order.
Not "I want." That sounds a little rude in English.
Exactly. So listeners, practice this. Next time you're at a cafe or a restaurant or a shop, try ordering in English. even if you're in your own country, even if the person speaks your language. Just practice.
It's a small habit, but it builds confidence.
Yes! All right, let's keep going. We have a few more tips before we finish.
Okay, Max, I have one more habit I want to share. Is that okay?
Of course. What is it?
Okay, read something in English every day. But here's the secret. It doesn't have to be a book. It can be anything.
Ooh, good one. So like Instagram captions?
Yes, or tweets, or news headlines, or even memes. Just read something every day.
I love that. And the reason this works is because you're seeing English in context. You're learning how sentences are built. You're seeing grammar without studying grammar.
Exactly. And if you want to level up, read out loud. That's double practice, reading and speaking.
Great tip. Okay, and here's my bonus habit. Make English friends online.
Oh, yes. This is so important.
You don't need to live in America or England to practice English. You can join online communities, Reddit, Discord, language exchange apps, find people who are also learning, or find native speakers who want to help.
And the best part is, you're making friends and learning at the same time.
Exactly. Language learning is more fun with other people. So listeners, if you're not already in a community, find one this week. Just search English Learners on any platform. You'll find thousands of people just like you.
And be brave. Send a message. Start a conversation. Everyone is nervous at first, but that's how you grow.
All right, we've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap. Lily, what was habit number 1?
Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing every day.
Perfect. Habit number 2?
Change your phone language to English.
Habit number 3?
Listen to English while you do other things. Podcasts, videos, anything.
Habit number 4?
Watch movies or shows you've already seen, but in English.
And habit number 5?
Use new words immediately. Don't just learn them, use them the same day.
And we had 2 bonus habits. What were they?
Read something in English every day, even just a little bit.
And the last one?
Make English friends online. Join communities. Practice with real people.
Perfect. So listeners, you have 7 small habits now. You don't need to do all of them. Just pick 2 or 3. Start today. Do them every day for 1 month, and I promise you will see progress.
And remember, small habits are better than big plans. Don't say, I'll study for 3 hours this weekend. Say, I'll talk to myself in English for 5 minutes every morning.
Exactly. Consistency beats intensity every single time.
Okay, Max, before we finish, I want to say something to our listeners.
Go ahead.
Learning English is not easy. I know that, you know that. Some days you feel amazing, some days you feel stuck, and that's normal.
It is normal. Language learning is a journey. It's not a straight line.
Right, but the good news is every small habit you do is progress. Even if you don't see it right away, even if you make mistakes, you're moving forward.
And mistakes are proof that you're trying. So don't be afraid of them. Be proud of them.
Yes, be proud. And listeners, we want to hear from you. In the comments, tell us, which habit will you start today? Talk to yourself, change your phone, watch a movie? Tell us. We read every comment.
We really do. And if you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend who's learning English. Send it to your study group. Post it on social media. Help us help more people.
And if you want more lessons like this, subscribe to our channel. We make new videos every week. Real English, real conversations. No boring textbooks.
Exactly. And one more thing. Next week, we're doing an episode on common English mistakes, like the mistakes that make native speakers very confused. You don't want to miss it.
Oh, I made so many of those mistakes. I can't wait to talk about them.
It's going to be fun. So listeners, we'll see you next time. Until then, keep practicing, keep going, and remember,
Small habits, big results.
exactly. Thanks for listening, everyone. This is Max
And Lily.
from Mr. Englishman. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.